Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Hyundai Ioniq headlight bulb. First, gather your tools, including a new H7 bulb and a 10mm socket wrench. Always ensure your vehicle is completely off and the engine has cooled down to prevent any burns or electrical issues. You will find the headlight assembly located behind the front bumper, which requires some access steps. To gain access, you'll need to remove two 10mm bolts that secure the top of the bumper cover. Once these are out, gently pull the bumper cover forward just enough to create sufficient space to work. Next, locate the electrical connector at the back of the headlight assembly and carefully disconnect it by pressing the release tab and pulling it away. Now, twist the entire bulb housing counterclockwise to unlock it from the headlight assembly. Once unlocked, carefully pull out the old H7 bulb. Remember to avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new H7 bulb firmly into the housing, making sure it is seated correctly and securely. With the new bulb in place, reattach the bulb housing by twisting it clockwise until you feel it lock securely into position. Then, reconnect the electrical connector to the back of the headlight assembly, ensuring it clicks firmly. Before fully reassembling, turn on your headlights to confirm the new bulb is working. Finally, push the bumper cover back into place and reinsert the two 10mm bolts. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.